Live na ta!
Let's go! Start our ball game! Monsera! Mainit-init na laban to! Again, buti ba? Again, ang atuang kaning duwa mahog isang championship gapon kay Juan, ang standing sa 0 bounce 3-1. Pero mapindi sila magginukura ita ni. Kung mudaot ning 0 bounce, champion na sila ron, guys. This is a battle today. Number 24. Again, first to third quarter is a running time. Fourth quarter, no running time. 8 minutes. Gabatan. Fine ulahi pero naguna. Back to Gabatan. There's a 10-second shot clock. Gabatan floater, no good. Rebound by ulahi. Wala. Rebound by Butchok kay Rowell. Pipito. JJ SRNS. Mr. TikTok World PH. JJ drives again. JJ. Basket no good. Wala. Rebound by Gabatan. Gabatan. Give me the ball. Pass to Motsera. Yan go. Yung sa likod. Likod lang. Motsera. Back to Gabatan. Gabatan. No hesitation to. Jump shot no good. Substitution in out in. Bola sa LA Blasters. Let's go back to the ball game. LA Blasters, Kenji Moral dribbling the ball. Kenji finding space, finds Angel. No good. JJ Sarnes, step back. Jamal Murray, no good. Rebound by, out of bounds. Bulasa. 0 bounds. You know, 0 bounds. Mo sa ato, pag di mo montol. Yontol mo lagi mo. Kandi mo nila yung Blasters. Ito ninyo ha. Mabuto ha. Sakto, Pasko, New Year. Yan na kaman mo Mr. 1000, wala. Same ball. Si Olahin, purple ka si Olahin. Purple. Bounce ka na. Wala 0 bounce. Kapit na steal ni Tihang. Pero wala. Bola sa LA Blasters. Pipito. Finds Aurita. No good. Shot clock 10 seconds. Butchok wala. Rebound na Olahin. Pero naguna ng wakli na. Hula na. Wala. Pass to Greg. Back to Monsera. Shot clock 18 seconds. Drop pass. Pero nakuha ni Greg. Kinain. And layup is good. What's it called, ref? Warning for delaying the game. 24. Warning for delaying the game. Again, basta ma-shot ka rin mo. Nagkulit ta. Nag-deal na niya. Kenji Moral, pass to Pipito, number 2. Pipito, higit nagpasahan. Kapit pa steal. Finds Kenji again. Kenji, wala. Rebound by number 24. Putihan. Miscommunication out of bounds. JJ SRNS. Where's the music? DJ. JJ SRNS. JJ. Higit kapasahan, under 10 second shot clock, drop pass to Ruel. 5 second shot clock, Ruel from Movies, foul ref. Foul number 24. First personal foul, first team foul. First throw for number 2. Air ball. Mugnaw pa gamay, stitching gamay. Second throw. Second throw, no good again. Rebound by Engel. To number 2, Pipito. Back to number 3, no hesitation. 3, wala. Rebound by number 24, finds Tiham. The point guard. Tiham, wala. Block. It's gonna be LA Blasters ball. JJ SRNS. JJ, relax gamay, anak siya. Shot clock 15. JJ, drop pass to Makarat. Finds Pipito, fake drives, layup no good. Rebound by Ulahe. Totiham again. Totiham. Hesitation, that's gonna be a traveling. Lifting. Bola sa LA Blasters. Earn? Ano earn? No, Erlalu! Andam na, duwa na to. Last game. Manang Veta ron. JJ Sarenes, nagpasigarbo na saan. From TikTok, Cebu, downtown 3 by JJ SRNS. Again, under 3 minutes for first quarter. What a move by number 15. Pero wala siya napasahan. Sayang yung highlights ni Idol. Hindi, pinalingin pagamay. Grabe yung Mr. TikTok. Kaya mga ganahan mo follow niya, TikTok niya, JJ SRNS. O ganahan po daily TikToks. Number 1, they have crossover, step back. What a pass, blind pass, extra pass to number 15, Melo for 3, wala. Rebound by Kenji Moral. Box. Jump shot, no good. Yagi mo na rebound. Grabing pinagkamok ni Mataha. Labaw ng 5, LA Blasters. Number 15, Melo, dribbling the ball. So number 1, they have. Number 1, they have. To Monsera, spin move, but there's a foul. Who's foul? Ref, foul number 11. First personal foul, first team foul. Inbound, Monsera finds Melo drives, strong move to Tiham again. Tiham, no hesitation, 3, wala. Rebound by number 24. 0 bounce ball again. Lahe to Troy to number 24. Layup no good. Nakuha ni Jeng. Stop. Layup no good. Rebound by number 24. To Imbong. Again, there's a minute left for first quarter. Imbong. Wala. Rebound by Engel. Napamaak na siya ng jersey. JJ SRNS, giligil na po na palakan. Foul number 1. They have first personal foul, first team foul. Second team foul. Ay, lingi JJ. Na, JJ. Hilig, sige kag lingi JJ. First throw for JJ. First throw, no good. JJ SRNS. From UC with Masters. Second throw, good. Again, 8-2 atong score. Labaw ang LA Blasters. 40 seconds remaining. But there's a foul. Blocking foul, number 27. First personal foul, second team foul. No shooting foul, inbound na ta. 35 seconds remaining. Number 24, floater, no good. Nakuha ni Tiham, toyok kamay, itsang tres, wala. Rebound kay Ulahe, naguna si Ulahe. 10 seconds, Imbong, fires for 3, no good. Rebound by Kenji. Again, 15 seconds remaining, JJ, long pass to Pipito, nangoon, good for 2. Again, 7 seconds remaining, steal by Engel, wala. Gitam na rin nila. 2 seconds remaining and that's the end of the first quarter. Again, score 2-10. Bola sa team LA Blasters. Let's go. Aurita fires for 3. Wala.
Oy!
Bola sa team 0 bounce. Layat na po. Nice shot. Tiham dribbling the ball, 18 seconds, shot clock. Tiham finds Gabatan. What's the call, ref? Is gonna be 3 seconds violation. Bola sa LA Blasters. Again, second quarter pa ni, makabawin pa mo. Team 0 bounds. Kanang number 14, bisag nagpiyong na, makashot dyan mo na. Number 14, ay alap yan sa ikon. No, JJ spin, awa. Awa sa ikon ko ni mo, bisag nagpiyong na. Awa, kaya po. No. Ulahe, secures the ball. Pinalingit gamay. Tihang, drop pass to Gabatan. Nice pass. Again, our score 4-10. Favor of LA Blasters. Under 7 minutes. Kenji, jump shot is good from the free throw line. Tihang dribbling. Frustrated. Shout out Idol Ken Jason Dumandan. Sandig na kanya, nagpahipit na. JJ loses the ball. Tiham steal by Kenji. Nagkala na naman. Good for 2. Labaw na po balik ang Team LA Blasters. Tiham to 24. Naging nagkapasada sa long 3. Wala, nagpasalba pero wala. Wakabot mo ang nagpasalba. JJ, spin move, Ruel, pivot, no good. Layup is good. 2 points. Buktoy na.
Dapat mag-zone mo lagi.
JJ to the Mercer. Pass to Famor. Wide open for 3. Wala gapon. Rebound by Bonsera to Tiham. Secures the ball. Relax gamay. Cross over. Tiham stops. Pass to Bonsera. Jump shot. No good. Kuha ni Famor. Famor dribbling the ball under 20 seconds shot clock. Famor, paabot gamay siyang kauban. JJ Sarenes. Aurita, and good for 2. Aurita. Time out, team. 0 bounds. Let's go back to the ball game. Ball game to the back. Bola sa LA Blasters. Goal! Ay bola sa Team 0 bounce din. Dali oy! Sinanggote gets the ball. Again, under 5. Warning for technical, Team 0 bounce. Ganong huwag mo usa. Warning for technical mo ah. Aurita, 3-pointer, no good. Was out of bounds, rep. Save ball. Go. Technical, technical. Team 0 bounce, technical. Sobrang usa. Technical, Team 0 bounce. Dua ka free throw. Usa. 1 free throw, LA Blasters. Bingo. 1 free throw, 1 ball position, ping. Oh. Para tarungan ninyo yung sulit nyo eh. Technical. First, bonus throw is good. Plus 1 ball position, Team LA Blasters. Boncho finds Makarat. Makarat drives. Finds Pamor. Pamor awag. Sa kapiyong na o. Sa ingon mo, makashot. Hinailang to. Wala. Foul number 9. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for number 14. Pamor. First throw, no good. Shout out my idol, wearing jersey number 8, Dave Stavan and Menes. Second throw, no good. Out of bounds. Substitution and out, in. Shout out, my idol, wearing jersey number 8, Dave Stavan and Menes. Back to the ball game, guys. Let's go. Under 4 minutes for second quarter. Stop ka. Number 27. To Pipito. Pipito fires a long 3. No good. Rebound by Gabatan. Ulahin na dito foul. Pero ulahin na kay Kat. Number 4. 13 seconds shot clock. Sinanggote. Nagita kapasahan. Nagkalisod na siya. 24 back to Sinanggote. Fake. Drop pass to ulahin. Agay. Substitution in, out, in. Shoot! Siguro ba? Magigdigkan na mo. Hoy! Warning na sa dwa! Warning mo. Ayaw, pas kung musab, laro mo sunod ba? Ayaw pagdaduha. Let's go, back to the ball game. Number 27. Strong move. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Again, under 3 minutes for second quarter. Score 6-17 in favor of LA Blasters. Sinanggote. Dribbling the ball, crossover. Sinanggote. Number 0. Jump shot is good. Number 0. Kenji Moral dribbling the ball. Kenji wana. Rebound by Ulahe na po. Ulahe, gipailog ang bula. Patay, ni pressure na si JJ Sarenes, Mr. TikToker. Pass to Aurita. Wide open 3, no good. Rebound by number 24. Nasa iyo kung pasa. Napasa sa kontra. Back to Aurita. Again, there's a 13-second shot clock. Pipito, fakes, drive, out of bounds. Nice defense by Ulahe. Go. Chor. Bo, basket kag salon pa, Bo. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Fires for 2, basket is good. Jump shot by number 4. Again, 7-point lead na, LA Blasters. 2 minutes remaining for second quarter. JJ Sarenas dribbling the ball. JJ. One crossover by JJ. Extra pass to Pipito. Fires for 3, no good. Rebound by Kenji. To Aurita. Again. Aurita, but that's a foul. It's gonna be a traveling violation. Timeout. Team 0 bounce. Sinanggote, dribbling the ball. Number 4 fires. There's a foul number 2, 22. First personal foul, first team foul. First throw, no good. Second throw for Sinanggote. Second throw is no good again. Pero nakuha niya po niya rebound. Step back. Finds number 29. Hey! Walang yapon. Rebound by Westbrook jump shot. No good. Rebound by Pipito. Finds JJ Sarenas. JJ. Kumakarat. Kapit matae. Tambok ha. Wala. So number 24, Sinanggote, number 4. Again, 30 seconds remaining, Sinanggote. Hesitates, pressuring, Westbrook, layup no good. Again, 5 JJ Sarenas, Mr. TikToker 2024, wala.
Agay.
17 seconds remaining, Sinanggote, one pressure defense by number. There's a foul, who's foul rep? Foul number 2, first personal foul, second team foul, blocking foul. Again, 12 seconds remaining. Number 29. So Sinanggote again. Sinanggote, long three. Give us a garbuhan. Wala. 3 seconds remaining. That's the end of the second quarter. Again, this is a running time. Our continuation seniors category, Sim City and Team MJC Medical Supply. For our last game, Powerpuff Boys with MJC Medical Supply. Malinoy! Again, 7-point lead, Team 0 bounds. Munsera to Teham, the point guard. Teham. Finding an offensive finds number 9. What a pass by Teham. Again, score 12-17 in favor of LA Blasters. 5-point lead. JJ SRNS. Kita kapasahan. Finds Pabor. So SRNS again. To the corner. Corner 3 by Engel. 3-pointer is good. By number 22. They have drop pass. Miscommunication. Rebound by number 14. So Kenji. Hinalat. Wala gyapon. Rebound by Gabatan. Steal by number 14. Fake. What's the call, ref? Traveling violation. Bulas at 0 bounds. Again, under 7 minutes for the third quarter. Gabatan. So Teham dribbling the ball. Involved. What a pass by Involved. Don't look past, but there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Foul number 2, second personal foul, first team foul. No free throw. Number 15 dribbling the ball. Hesitates. Finds Munseda, corner 3. Wala. Rebound by Ingel to JJ SRNS. SRNS. Good for 2. Wala yung defense, guys. Depensa, guys. They have dribbling the ball. Again, 10-point lead for LA Blasters. Greg. Wala. Floater, no good. Back to Kenji. Pass to JJ. JJ scanning the floor. Uses the screen. Pick and roll. Miscommunication. Lev is good. Score 14-22 in favor of LA Blasters. Again, under 6 minutes for third quarter. Karat. Corner. Number 14 shoots, no good, and out of bounds, same ball. Substitution in, out, and in. Inbound by number 2. Drop pass to JJ. It's gonna be a steal. What's the call, ref? Bulas 0 bounds. Number 1 dribbling the ball. Number 1, no hesitation. 3, wala. Rebound by Munsera. To Craig, jump shot, no good. Bulas na LA Blasters.
Lagi si Iyo.
Substitution, Boss David, JJ out. Aurita gets the ball to Makara. Dribbling the ball. Finding a wide open teammate. Finds Pipito to the baseline. Ingel, corner 3 for my idol. Rebound by Gabatan. Melo, long pass from Teham. Easy 2 points. for 2. Again, score 16-22 in favor of LA Blasters. Tayo mo nila, uy! Number 10, corner 3 again by number 8. Boss Dave, wala. Rebound by number 24. No look pass. Number 9, left-handed layup is good. Katuon pag G-League. Time out mo na. Makarat, dribbling the ball. Makarat, rebound na left, fakes. Melo, gets the ball, throwing na naman, easy layup. Time out. LA Blasters.
Nakakapit na ka.
Again, 2-point lead. LA Blasters. Bumawi na ang 0 bounds.
Hindi lang pakita. Ratol man.
JJ dribbling the ball under 3 minutes. JJ fires for 3. No good. Rebound by number 9, the bottom. Steal by Ingel. JJ. Step back, JJ. To Ingel, corner 3. Wala gyapon. Rebound by Greg. Greg to Monsera. Tehap. Wala na kuha Monsera. Spin 2. Back to Tehap. Tehap. 10 seconds. Shot clock. Monsera, give pressure. Wala. Tingitang foul. But it's good. JJ Arenas to Pipito. Pipito fires for 3. Air ball. Choke. Mag-warm up lagi. Bro, gito mo. Mag-warm up. Hindi na masabog swing mo. Number 15, crossover. 1-8 kay si JJ ito. Pass to Tihak. Corn up. 3-point, no good. Number 2 secures the ball. JJ Arenas, nagpamanali na naman. Relax ko gamay. 15 seconds shot clock. Under 1 minute and 30 seconds. Kenji Makarat. To Pipito. Pipito drives. Wala. Pipito fake. Spins. Shoots. Wala gyapon. Makarat. But there's a foul. Basket is counted. Who's foul? Ref. Foul number 20. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus throw for number 10. Bonus throw, no good. Rebound by number 15. Inbound. Pass to Tihap. Crossover. To Greg. Wala ikay. Wala ka na. Wala ka uban. Habit na out na. Labaw balik. Team LA Blasters. Again, 45 seconds remaining. There's a foul. Who's foul ref? Foul number 1. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Inbound. 38 seconds remaining.
Sa gani babaw dumog.
Number 27 drives. Torita. Good for 3. Outrits. Laban ang pito. LA Blasters. Again, 25 seconds remaining.
Hindi mo maganda.
Teham. Sige na kapasahan. It's gonna be another bounce. Bulas sa LA Blasters. 14 seconds remaining. JJ SRNS. 8 seconds remaining. There's a foul again. Who's foul rep? Foul number 1. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Tulo na ka. Ulahe. Makarat. 5 seconds remaining. Makarat. Wala. Rebound by yung ball. And on the third quarter. Available. Pito. Team LA Blast.
Ay, kauwaw iyaw! Silence na.
Let's go back to the ball game to the back. This is our fourth and last quarter. Ahorita to JJ SRNS. JJ isolation. JJ lusot na po. JJ wala. Traveling violation. Traveling without authority. Ulahi. Kani si Ulahi. Naguna ginapuli siya. Isa Ulahi siya. Sinanggote dribbling the ball. Sinanggote drawing a play. Uses the screen. Finds a shooter. Wala. There's a foul. Who's foul? Foul number 9. First personal foul. First team foul. JJ dribbling the ball. Again, under 7 minutes. JJ SRNS. Corner pass. Back to JJ again. JJ drives. Step back. JJ to Pipito. Again, 8 second shot clock. JJ. Second shot clock. JJ layup. No good. Nakuha niya Rita. Wala. Rebound by Pamor. Bisag nagpiyong makashot na. Wala. Gyapon. Nakuha ni Pipito. Hindi nagpasahan. 12 second shot clock. Rita. Jump pass to Pipito. Pipito strong move. There's a foul. Who's foul? Red. Foul number 4. First personal foul, second team foul. Ahorita fires for 3! 3-pointers good. Labaw ng lapo. Team LA Blasters. There's a foul. Who's foul? Red. Foul number 10. 27. First personal foul. Second personal foul, first team foul. Time out. Technical, kita technical. Team 0 bounce, technical again.
Ulahi. Silicone na.
One free throw, pick. One free throw or one full position.
Ulahi,
Technical again, kay sobrang players.
Balik sa isip.
No ball position, bonus throw again.
Balik sa isip. Kaya pa na mo, magpabawas mo muna.
Ama, si Iya.
Number 15 dribbling the ball. Under 6 minutes. Montana fires for 3. Gabatan gets the ball. Finds Sinanggote. Sinanggote fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by JJ. 20 seconds. Second shot clock. JJ SRNS. JJ uses the speed. JJ pick and roll. Meekin spins, fires, wala. Good, Yuloy. Number 10 fires, wala gapon. Rebound by number 24. Greg, good for 2. Again, 8-point lead for LA Blasters. JJ, dribbling the ball. Pressure move, pressure defense. Pipito post move, nalinoon. Nakapakagay, miscommunication. JJ, awan ka ayo. It's a 10-point lead again for LA Blasters. Again, under 5 minutes for fourth and last quarter. Again, next game for continuation, be ready Sin City and Team MJC Medical Supply. Substitution, get out, and
Asa na yung next game ay may players gani.
back to the ball game, Craig. 5 Sinanggote, Putiham. Iham, drop pass to Greg, jump shot. Alakad, number 29. Kenjing Zajan Mickey. Yes, MVP are. Number 27. Under 38 seconds, shot clock. Miscommunication, bola sa 0 bounds. Number 15, dribbling the ball. Again, taas pa kay oras, makabawit pa mo, 4 minutes pa. Number 15, there's a foul, loose foul, ref. Foul number? Number?
Number
27?
something.
10, foul number 10. First personal foul, second team foul. Sorry, Peng, ha? May ka daw okay, mag-sheets me. Alright, mag-sheets eh. Number 15, crosses over, tears drop, wala. Rebound by Greg, but there's a foul again. Foul number 11. Second personal foul, third team foul. 2 free throws for number 24. First throw, no good. Second throw for number 24. Second throw, no good again. Rebound by Pipito.
Doha. Awan Doha.
It's Gizil. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Back to Pipito. Number 11, Orita. 4-3.
Hey!
Nag-gising na si Oritz. Kaya naggan na iyang shot. MVP bro. MVP oh. Number 15, Timbong. Timbong, inita ka pasahan. 5 sa Nanggote. Extra pass to Iham. 5 to 3, wala. Rebound niya po niya. Patay-patay. Once again, Rick, spitting on the line. Spitting on the line. Mula sa Ella Jasser. Big group. Sumpi silahang. Number 27. Number 27, JJ Sarenes uses the screen. Pick and roll. Drop pass to Mike. Traveling. Violation. Sinanggote, dribbling under 3 minutes. Sinanggote, pass to Timbong. Pero, miscommunication again. Again, pagstorya mo, parang kasi nagtanay mo, wasa mo pagkakahanay. Ayaw mo pagkakahanay. JJ, Torita, Biscaya, Lucia. What's the corner? It's gonna be loose ball pa. Foul number 10. Offensive foul. Number 10. Second personal foul. No team foul. Dito rin taha ay gabay. Para siya nagpapagana yung laro. Number 15, wala. Ipag-ausag ko yung boss. Number 27, ball. Number 27, JJ. Mubawi, hindi sila. Number 10, Bakarat, hesitate, agay.
Nice pass.
Oy!
Blocked by JJ. Out. Foul number 27. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Team LA Blasters. 2 free throws for Tiham. Kadol. Naga. Saan mo ka? First throw, no good.
Luwas sa pikas. Masarap sa pikas. Na-3 ko sila na. Ako sa kaon sa
Again, 2 minutes remaining for the last quarter. Second throw is good for Tiham.
kanino? Ano si Mickey?
Dua? Tulo. Tulo ka, tulo. Bakaran. Bakaran. What's it called, rep? Foul number 15. Blocking foul. Substitution and out is first personal foul, third team foul, number 15. Number 27, JJ Sarenas. Tumakarat. Bakarat. Tumikit. Mikit kadua-duha. Maurita mo, best player. Diyo daw siya. Wala. Rebound by Gabata. Oras, 1 minute and 30 seconds. 18 seconds, shot clock. Tiham. Tiham, nagitag paaging, fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by the Reds. Bola sa LA Blasters. Time out. Substitution in, out, out, in. Inbound. Engel gets the ball. Paurita, nag-isi na siya. Paurita, spin move. Paurita, kalisod. Ginabol naman. O Kenji. Kenji finds Mikin, strong move. And the loader is good by Mikin. Engel almost gets the ball. Number 9, Gabatan. Isolation. Gabatan. Grabe kay Dibinsa si number 10. Gulang kay Dibinsa Pataha. Joy they have from the corner. 3 points.
40 something.
Number 10, Makarat. Makarat. 38 seconds remaining. Kenji. Kenji Zajan. Look. Late violation. Ay, sigara. Lagi mo. Simple moves ba? 32 seconds remaining. Ingel gets the ball. Ingel. Wala. Rebound by Tiham. Again, klaro naman siya gamay. Atong standing 3-2 in favor of Team Zero. Bounce. Again, there will be a There will be a 6th game. Diwasa ninyo, diwasa. Diwasa ninyo, diwasa. Oras. Patya lang, bola ko dahil. Pizza. Pizza yun. Congratulations. Team LA Blasters. Both teams, shake hands. Dapat ay duwa ugma. Kaya wala ma-champion ng zero bounce. Our standings 3-2. 3-2.